Welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to propose changes to existing entries in the PCE literature database. So let's say you found an entry where you think or you know that there is an error in that entry. Then you'll go to that entry. For example, I'll go to this one here, and you click on it to open the details. And then on the left side at the bottom here, you'll find the Propose Change button. So you can press that, and you'll get a little form where you can propose your changes. For example, let's say I know that this article here was actually published in 2010, not 2011, and the author was actually Jane Doe, not John Doe, and it was actually in volume 133 of the journal rather than volume 143. So I can make those changes here. And then down here there's a note field where you can leave any kind of note, like if you want us to know what the reason for your change is, or if you want to propose some kind of change other than one that's possible in these fields here, like for example if the journal is wrong or something like that, you can leave that in the notes field. And then once you're done proposing your change, you just press the send button, and your change will be saved to the database as a proposal. And once an administrator has had a chance to look over it and approve the change, that change will then be visible on the website as well. And that's how you make changes to existing entries in the database. Thanks for watching.